Hello everyone, and welcome to part 1 of the video series Clementine Secrets. This first video will be entirely about a pyramid and a complex which I found in the Zeeman G crater. The original picture, taken by the Clementine satellite in the year of 1994, contains a smudged object. And this was first found by Joseph P. Skipper of MarsAnomalyResearch.com, and you can still find the picture on his website. This is the original Clementine picture from 1994. And as you can see, the exact location, the exact position of the object has been smudged. The operator, however, who did this must have had a double agenda, because he not only had the intention to smudge it, he also left us some information so we can reveal it. I have no idea if he did it on purpose or that it was just a failure. But with today's software, like Ultralux, which is the software I used, you can make this object visible again. So here we go. This is the zoomed in version. I used an S-spline filter, which gives the best edges, so sharpest edges. And if you want to look for the object using the Clementine browser, you will not find it because NASA, or better the military, removed it. This is the position of the object, the Clementine object, the Zeeman G crater. Here are the locations, so you can find it yourself if you like. And as you can see, if we zoom in, there's nothing to see. We can even zoom in further. And as you can see, that the object must have been massive. The complex is massive. It's about 25 miles in diameter. Okay, there are a couple websites on the internet which also have Clementine in images. One of them is on mapaplanet.org, and as you can see here, it's the same image, and so there's nothing to see. It has been removed. When we look at this crater view the lunar orbiter, you will see this. Unfortunately, at the time this picture was taken, it was on the dark side, literally on the dark side. So we have no details from the lunar orbiter. Then there is, of course, the LMMP, which is also a NASA website, a government website. And this is the Zeeman G crater again, and you can see that the object is not visible. There is, however, a little strange thing going on here. As you can see, this is a white spot, or a bright spot, and when we enhance it, we see that it is different from the rest. This should have been shade. It's not. So there has been manipulation. Okay, here we go. This is the position where the crater is, the Zeeman G crater. It's exactly now in the middle of the screen. And as you can see, it's totally black, it's dark, so we have no details from that. This is taken from Google Earth, by the way. Original Clementine picture. It's a GIF file, so it's not a JPEG but a GIF file. And we don't see anything, it's just totally smudged. If you try to use brightness, contrast, or any application with layers, you will not be able to reveal it. You need special software like Ultralux. Okay, this is the first try of Ultralux. Okay, watch the picture. Later in the video I will explain exactly what I did and how you can do it yourself. So no secrets. See the complex become visible now. And look at the structure of the moon surface. It's totally different from the object. It's totally different from the smudged area. And you can see that in the left corner of the smudged picture, a pyramid becomes visible. Right here, it's now in the center. See? There it is, the pyramid. Okay, when we zoom in, we get this. It's a clear three-dimensional pyramid. And look also at these, well, you could say fields or plateaus. And this could be some kind of a building with stories. It's totally different from the moon surface. If you look at the enhancement, it's totally different from the surface. Also pay attention to this area here. Okay. Some sharpening, some contrast, and we see a Aztec shape pyramid. Also look at the symmetry here. It's now right in the middle of the screen. And the symmetry here. And then this dark object in the center. And when we play with the light, we get different shadows. And this you can all do yourself. I will tell you later on in the video how you can do it. It's not easy. No, sorry, it's easy. The pyramid. Clearly three-dimensional objects. Okay, when we play with the relief, we get some other details visible. Pay attention to this object here down below. The pyramid again. And look at the strange shape. NASA says or claims that there could be water on the moon. Well, perhaps these are lakes. We're near the south pole of the moon. See? Clearly the shape of an Aztec temple. And of course, there are people who say that these strange objects could be lava fields. Well, if you look at this picture, there are no lava fields. It's flat. There are no fields. Or it could be this. This is basalt, as found on Earth. See? Or this one. It's also basalt. And then we have this, of course, which is a lava field. And this is S-basalt. See? But does that look in any way in our object? No. Absolutely not. It's totally different from basalt. It's totally different from any lava field. And this object here is a three-dimensional object. It's not an artifact, it's an object. Okay. Well, how did I do it? I use a program called IrfanView, which is a freeware viewer. And together with this IrfanView viewer, you get this, Altalux, which is a plugin. And what you have to do is that you load your image into IrfanView, and after that you start the Altalux image enhancement filter. And depending on the settings, you can of course fine-tune The best settings would be intensity of 4 and scale 16, which gives the best result. Also takes the longest to reveal the details, but you get the finest details. Or you can use the default settings. And after 20 times, you end up with this. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll wish you good luck in doing your own enhancements, and see you next time. Bye bye.